Hello friends, welcome back to EcoPlants. In today's video, I will show you how to grow guava step by step from choosing the right variety, planting, care, fertilizing, pest control, all the way to harvesting sweet and delicious guavas. Guava is called the superfruit because it is rich in vitamin C, fiber and antioxidants. The best part is that guava trees are easy to grow, very hardy and require little care once stabilized. If you watch till the end, you will learn not only how to grow guava but also how to keep your tree productive for many years. Guava origin is Central America, but now grown worldwide in tropical and subtropical region. And guava type is white fleshed guava, second is pink fleshed guava, and third is red fleshed guava. White fleshed guava is mildly sweet, very aromatic, and pink fleshed guava is sweeter, often used in juice. Red fleshed guava also rich in antioxidants. Guava tree can live 25 to 40 years with good care, climate and season. Guava grow best in warm tropical and subtropical climate. Temperature range 23 to 30 degrees Celsius, and it tolerant heat and even mild frost, but extreme cold damage the tree. Best season for planting: rainy season in tropical area or spring in cooler climate. Choosing the planting material: you can grow guava from seeds, but it takes 4 to 6 years to fruit. For faster result, use grafted plant or air layer plant, which start fruiting in 2 to 3 years. Buy plant from a trusted nursery to ensure healthy, disease-free growth. Soil preparation: guava grow in many soil, but the best is well-drained sandy loam soil. And soil pH is 5 to 7.5. Avoid waterlogged soil as it caused root rot. Mix soil with compost or well-rotted manure before planting. Planting guava: dig a pit about 2 by 2 feet wide and 2 feet deep. Mix garden soil with compost or organic manure and fill the pit halfway. Place the sapling upright, fill the soil and fresh firmly. Water immediately after planting. Spacing in garden: plant tree 10 to 15 feet apart. In container, use a 20 to 25 inch deep pot for one tree. Watering and fertilization: young plant need watering every 3 to 4 days. Mature tree need deep watering once in 7 to 10 days, especially in dry season. Do not overwater. Guava does not like soggy soil. Fertilization: first year, apply compost every 2 months. After that, feed the tree with compost, balanced fertilizer, NPK 10-10-10 or organic alternatives. Add fertilizer 2 to 3 times a year before flowering, during fruit set and after harvest. Pruning and training: prune guava tree regularly to shape them and improve fruiting. Remove dead, disease and weak branches. Allow 3 to 4 strong branches to form the main framework. Light pruning after harvest encourage new shoots for the next season. Flowering and fruit development: guava tree flower 2 to 3 times a year in tropical climate. Main fruiting season: rainy season crop and winter crop. Fruit mature in 4 to 6 months after flowering. Pest and diseases: common pest is fruit fly, aphids, mealybugs, and control is use yellow sticky trap, neem oil spray or organic insecticides. Disease is wilt and rust. Control is proper drainage, copper fungicide spray and pruning disease parts. Harvesting guavas: guava start fruiting in 2 to 3 years if grafted. Harvest when fruit change color from dark green to light green or yellowish. Ripe guava give off a sweet fragrance, and pick fruit gently to avoid damage. Storage and usage: fresh guava can be stored at room temperature for 3 to 5 days. In refrigerator, they last for up to 2 weeks. Guava is eaten fresh, made into juice, jam, jelly, and desserts. It is also a rich source of vitamin C, even more than orange. Grow guava in container if you have limited space. Protect young plant from strong wind and frost. Use organic mulch to keep the soil moist and cool. For sweeter fruit, reduce watering slightly before harvesting. So friends, this was the complete guide to growing guava step by step. Guava is very easy to grow, low maintenance and highly rewarding. Once you plant a tree, it will keep giving you fruit for many years. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share with your friends and subscribe to Eco Plants for more gardening tips. See you in next video. Happy gardening.